Here is a REVIVA app, Turn Old Photos Alive. So let's just take a look at this app. Yeah, it's getting quite high in the charts. You can have a lot of AI animated features. It says our memories often exist only in old photographs, but what if we could bring these old photos to life and see what our loved ones might look like if they were still with us? Now, this is possible with AI technology and a REVIVA app. Live photos, AI hugs and kisses, AI dance. So that's just what it is. So pretty cool. So it's not just that you make your old photos moving. That was already a feature in a lot of apps, but here you can have this AI hugs, AI kisses, AI dances, all of things. And let's just see how it looks like, what you can do here. So yearly it's $30 per year, or weekly it's $7 per week. So let's see if they have at least some free version. So if I want to try it now, so I just want to select a photo, and then for example I just want to select a photo or whatever. So as you can see, here is an example. And then you just tap to generate. So then unfortunately you need to upgrade here. So you need to get these coins, credits, which you can buy them. So 50 credit coins for $5, 500 credit coins for $50, and then you just have this. You can review them, and that's basically it. So that's the idea of the app. They don't have any referral program or invite codes. So at the moment, that's just what it is. So pretty cool app. It's very nicely designed. So again, you can try kiss, hugging, dancing. These are the main features. And it's quite a good app. Again, it's only available as a paid app, but it's very easy to use. It has a really nice AI model. So that's what it is. And I don't know whether it's available on Android. So at the moment, I'm only trying it on iOS app. So there you have it. This is how it calls. So REVIVA, and that's basically what you have here, built by Comapps team. It has a growing number of ratings. It's climbing in the charts. So again, give it a try.